Bouncy the Fluffle Jelly. Look at those sparkly blue eyes and that fluffy, glowy tail. Bouncy loves to bounce through the magical Munchkin forest. But today, oh no, Bouncy lost. Poor Bouncy bounced too far from home. The forest is so big, with twisty trees and tickly vines. Where's my cozy jelly burrow? Bouncy squeaks. Its tail stops glowing, and it feels all alone. But wait, who's this? It's Dottie the polka dot bunny. Don't worry, Bouncy, says Dottie. I will help you find your home. Together, they bounce over sparkly streams and under rainbow vines. Bouncy's tail starts to glow again, just a little. Look, look, look! There's Bouncy's burrow, all cozy and warm. Bouncy squeals with joy and gives Dottie a big squishy hug. Thank you, Dottie, Bouncy says. Dottie giggles. Anytime, friend. Now Bouncy's tail is glowing brighter than ever. And so, Bouncy found home and a new best friend. What adventures will they have next? Subscribe, little explorers, and join Bouncy's fun every week. Bye-bye for now.